Wow! It's here. Look what arrived. I'm super excited because my author-proof copy of my book has arrived, and I thought I would unpack it on video and capture and share this experience. I am so excited. It's just under 300 grams, and there was intention behind that to make sure it is, ooh, wow, they've well packed it properly here. Well done, Amazon. Struggling to open the packaging. Oh wow, looks good. Oh, look at that. Soul Goal Mapping, a gentle guide to finding inner clarity, rebuilding self-trust, and creating aligned goals with ease. And it's the spine and the back, and then how beautiful. This is the point of having an author copy, so I can check, make sure it all lays out the way I want it to before it goes live on the 8th of March. Oh my God, just to feel this in my hands. This has been 2 years in creation. Many of you know I run a Soul Goal Mapping Challenge, and I really created this with such intention to meet people even before that, to create the stability to be able to activate moving forward with soul aligned goals. And it's more than a book. This is a recalibration tool. And I've chosen this exact size and experience so that it could be a bedside companion, or you can carry it with you in your bag or your backpack. It feels good and easy to hold. You can read it on a plane. And it's still got, substance. It's quite substantial. It's 182 pages. And it's 12 chapters, and it's got some really cool goodies included with it. So just, wow. It's here. So I am going to actually go and make a cup of tea and read my own proof copy, and do a final check before we go live with this on the 8th of March, which is just under 2 weeks away. Now, if you haven't read the first chapter yet, it is available for free, complimentary. You just have to follow the link in my bio, or I'll drop it in the link in the comments below. But this book is already changing lives. I've already had so many people read it, and the testimonials coming back, the transformations from the book, it's capturing the frequency that I wanted. And I've been looking for 10 years, how do I bottle this? And I have, it's in a book. So celebrate with me, because I'm super excited. This has been just an incredible joy to create. 2 years in the creation, with an immersion and intensity in the last 8 weeks to really just refine it and bring it to market. So excited.